All right. Uh, so, things went really well today. I wish I had, just done a valve job on the EM2 right away the first time I had the head off. So that ran real well. And we'll put the governor weights on that. It did about 25 minutes on that tank of fuel. And then the ET6 here, took a second to get started because it flooded out because I left the valve open while I was filling the fuel tank. And if we look here, and my camera's shading the sun now. It floods out if you leave the valve open because the tank is even with or a little bit above the fuel mixer carburetor there. And I don't know a way to lower that tank to stop that problem. The other engines, the tank has been too low and I've had to raise it so that it will feed the carburetor a little better. That's one of the things about gravity feed. The tank in relation to the fuel mixer is actually a pretty big factor in the way that the engine runs. It did quit that one time because the boot popped off the spark plug here. So I'll probably have to do a quick fix on that, but I'll either switch it out for a piece of clear fuel tubing or do the little baling wire, quick wire trick. You just throw a piece of wire around the boot as a kind of crimper to hold that on. But I'll decide what to do with that later. Next step. Oh, and the ET6 here ran for 20 minutes the first time before the wire came off, and then I refilled it and it ran for almost 45 minutes this morning, so ran real nice. Next thing is just putting the governor back together on the EM2 and see if it'll run with the governor on now. Now that we know it runs properly.